Guys, are we ready to talk to Sir Isaac Newton?
Yes!
Let's make a connection then.
Hello, everyone. Do you have questions for me? I'm always ready to help.
Mr. Newton, could you tell me how to use Neuton to create an AI solution?
Absolutely. Let me show you how easy it is to create an AI solution with Neuton.
Hello everyone. John Wickens, Sir Newton's assistant, is here. I will take over now. Neuton AutoML is a SaaS platform, based on Newton's neural network framework, that automates the whole process of machine learning through the use of innovative and cutting-edge technology. The Neuton platform enables users to utilize the system to predict various outcomes based on historical data. This is made possible by processing the user data and applying it to train a machine learning model. During training, the model is looking for patterns and dependencies between the input data to make the right predictions. After the model has been trained, the user can then utilize the model to make predictions on new data via various options provided by the platform. Neuton currently allows users to solve two types of problems: classification and regression. When you need to label clients most at risk of leaving, or prioritize which customers to target with which products, you need to solve a classification problem. When your target variable is a quantity, for example, house pricing, air temperature, company revenue, or exchange rates, you need to solve a regression problem. The full machine learning workflow and pipeline consists of 3 simple steps. The first step, select data for training. The second, train your model. And the third, make predictions. Neuton's interface is simple and clear, so users with or without a data science background can use it. Now let's review these 3 steps of the Neuton's workflow.